Hey family, welcome back to my channel, or as I like to call it, my app. You want to learn how to slay your slick ponytail like this? Okay, well keep watching because I'm about to teach you. Right now my hair is looking a mess. I have been sleeping on it, and also it's just been in a ponytail for the past few days. So instead of washing my hair, because I have a hair appointment coming up, I'm going to put it in a slick ponytail. So the first thing that I do when I am in the process of doing my slick ponytail, I like to part my hair. So I am just going to, my hair is already halfway parted. So I'm just going to section my hair off right now, and I'm going to work on one side first. On this side, I'm also going to section my hair, but I'm not really going to separate it how I did with the other side. I'm just going to work on one part first and the other part afterwards. So for this part, I'm going to put the front of my hair, well, I'll do the front part first since it's more easily seen. So first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair mister. You can use a spray bottle if you have that as well, and I'm going to damp my hair. So it is damped enough, well, to me it is damped enough for me. And so instead of combing my hair, my sister has been teaching me not to comb my hair, to just run my fingers through it. So I'm going to run my fingers through any of my nets, I should say. Now I'm going to put product into my hair. So the first product that I'm going to be using is my Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I'm just going to take just a little bit and put it in my hair, also because I'm running out. I hate that my hair sheds so much. Like, look at this. I hate it. I'm also going to be using my Cantu Curl Activator Cream. And I'm just going to take just a little bit also and just put it in my hair. Now I'm going to move to the other part that I sectioned off, and I'm going to repeat these steps as well. So now that this whole side is fully moisturized and damp, I'm going to wet it just a little bit more. I am now going to do the other side. I'm going to do the same steps. So I'm going to section it off again. And I'll do the front side first so you guys can see better. And I'm going to wet my hair. Now my hair is fully damp, so once again I'm just going to go towards the front and just wet it just a little bit more. I'm now going to part my hair with my comb, so don't talk about it. My hair is very thick, so I know that's gone. So I'm going to part my hair. So I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to put it in the center of my nose and just trace my comb up until it reaches my hair. And I'm going to go all the way back to part it. And I'm going to stop towards the center of my head because I don't want to part my whole head. I just want to part it all the way towards the top. So now that it is parted, I know I'm looking crazy right now, I'm going to take my Aussie Instant Freeze Gel and I'm going to just put a little bit on both sides of my head. Just the front part right now because that's the part I'm focusing on. And make sure you get the sides right here as well because you're going to be combing that part. Well, you're going to be brushing that part back, so make sure you get the sides. Now I'm going to take my bristle brush. I'm going to brush my hair into the ponytail that I desire it to look like. So I'm just going to brush my hair as if I'm now putting it in a ponytail. I'm not going to put my hair tie on yet. I am now going to release my hair because it already is in the position that I want it to be. And I am now going to use my Amp Pro Style black gel to gel down the top of my head once again so it would hold. And my hands are really wet, so this is not going to open. I'm going to take just a little bit and I'm going to apply it just at the top of my hair and also the sides because you will be brushing your sides back again. Now I'm going to take my bristle brush once again and brush my hair back again. Now I'm going to just look at the front part and just make sure that it is sitting how I want it to sit. So with my edges, I just brush that in the front as well. So now I am going to put my hair tie on it and I'm going to tie it. Make sure you tie it really tight. Now I am going to take my scarf and I am going to tie the top of my head so it can lay down better. This next part is extremely optional, so usually my ponytail you can leave it like this if you want to, but what I like to do is I like to take my spray mister or your spray bottle and I like to spray it just a little bit more. And I run my fingers through it once again, and then I apply the Aussie clear gel onto it. And also my Diva Curl styling cream. You can keep the scarf on overnight if you're about to go to sleep, or you can keep it on and just finish getting ready for the day and then take it off before you leave. However long you want to keep it on is up to you. I would say at least let it sit for about 5 minutes before taking it off all the way. And this is the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are able to do a beautiful slick ponytail after watching this tutorial. You can also, if you want to, add false hair to your hair if you want to. Personal preference. I just usually keep it like this. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.